Hello. Oh, it's slightly off screen.
Ah! Okay, so we've got one of these again.
Ultimate Spider-Man surprise egg.
Now,
This is going to be exactly the same.
I'm hoping this is better than the Thomas one.
I'm hoping it is, but I have this horrible feeling. In fact, it's probably got the Thomas the Tank Engine pencil inside.
Probably. As I said, it's... Well, I didn't say. It's from Pound World, £1, and I'm
Do you
hoping...
like what I'm doing there on the bottom?
I'm hoping better things for this. So go on, Trouble.
Oh, well, for a start, the plastic's not been put on as well. Has it? I can't slice it.
You stop playing with it.
Da, 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 da.
Oh, dear Lord.
It is actually exactly the same. You get the same amount of stickers, 15 stickers. Spider-Man logo, Spider-Man face, Spider's web, Spider-Man's face, Spider-Man's face. What's that one say? Thwip. Spider-Man's face, Spider's web, Spider-Man's face. Teeny weeny speech bubble which you won't focus on. Focus. Not going to focus. It says, "This looks like a job for the Ultimate Spider-Man." Spider-Man's face, Spider-Man's hand. Is this ever going to focus?
No, I
There we
doubt
go, yeah, focused.
it. Okay, so you got the same shite.
Rubber in a separate paper wrapping.
Right, I'm also going to point out that I didn't realise this for the Thomas the Tank Engine one, but this is how crap this
it's
is.
just sticker.
It is literally a sticker on the pen.
Oh.
I suspect if I use a pair of tweezers, I will be able to remove the entire wrapper.
You'll probably find that it's the Thomas the Tank Engine pencil underneath.
I will get this. I'm just, again, as I said after the Thomas the Tank Engine one, there's no love to it. There's no...
Well, I saw some that were trolls, and I nearly got a trolls one, but I realised that all was in it was a plastic bracelet and some stickers.
Yeah, they've just heat wrapped a freaking plastic thing onto it. And
But is it got something else underneath it, or
No,
is it just
no,
a plain pencil?
It is literally just the world's worst pencil that they got for the cheapest company ever, and they've got a heat wrap kind of like...
Yeah, okay, I think you can stop shredding it now. Yeah, it's just plastic.
They've got a heat wrap kind of like generic superhero, and I just put it on. It's... The quality of this is rubbish. Like, even for £1, I don't think it's worth it.
Yeah, so, thank you, Di... What's it say? Di... Oh, come on, focus.
Daikaki.
Yeah, some of that. Focusage.
I don't know what it's
There we
fixing.
go. Daikaki import. Thank you for importing a very disappointing product.
Once again, you've given us nothing to draw on. It's
Stickers to stick on your sister's face and nothing more.
crap. Sorry guys. Thanks for
watching.
watching. Bye.